How to find passwords on an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a full list of your saved passwords on any Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we're going to open up the built-in password manager on our Android phone, and we can do that by going to the settings, select the search box at the top, and just type password. You should see password manager come up. Go ahead and select that. Then in here, you'll see a full list of all your saved passwords. You can search at the top for them as well. Go ahead and select the one you're looking for, unlock your phone, and then to see the password, just select the little eyeball next to password right there. Now, if for some reason that didn't work for you, you can also see your saved passwords by opening up the Google Chrome browser on your Android phone. Once in the Chrome browser, select the three dots in the top right, and then all you need to do is select settings. Now that we're in the settings, scroll down a little bit and you'll see Google Password Manager, select that. And then in here, you'll see a full list of your saved passwords on your Google account. You can search or select them and then reveal the password that way. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.